Hi and welcome. In today's session, we are going to learn to draw an ogive, which is also known as a cumulative frequency curve. Remember, there are two different types of ogive or cumulative frequency curve. One is called lesser than and the other one is called greater than. In today's session, we are going to learn lesser than cumulative frequency curve or ogive. For that, I have taken an example from here. This is a statistical data in which the marks obtained by 200 students in an examination are given below. So these are the marks obtained by 200 students. The class interval here is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 100. So the class size is 10 and these are the corresponding frequencies or the number of students. I have made another table. This table is known as cumulative frequency table. In this table, I have already written down the marks or the class intervals, the number of students, and then there is one column for cumulative frequency and there is an extra column which is called the ordered pair. What is this one? I'll tell you later. Let us first find the cumulative frequency. Now, to find the cumulative frequency, what we do is we first write the frequency of the first class as it is, but in the subsequent frequencies we keep adding it. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Now the 15 gets added to 11, that should give me 26. 26 is added to 20, that will give me 46. Now 46 is added to 27, that should give me 73. 73 is added to 38, that should give me 111. 111 is added to 40 and this will give me 151. 151 is added to 29, this should give me 180. 180 is now added to 14, it should give me 194, and when 194 is added to 6, this must give me 200, which is the total number of students. So this is how we get the cumulative frequency. Now for the ordered pair is the value of abscissa and ordinate that we will require in order to plot an ogive. Now in a less than curve or less than ogive, we take the upper limit of every class as abscissa and the corresponding cumulative frequency as ordinate. So the first ordered pair in this case will be 10 and 5. So 10 comma 5. The next one will be 20 comma 15, then 30 comma 26. Next one is 40 and 46, then 50 and 73, 60 and 111. Then we have 70 and 151. Then we have 80 and 180. Then we have 90 and 194. Eventually we have 100 and 200. So these are the ordered pairs that we require in order to plot an ogive. Now let's look at the range. the range of data. The marks is from 0 to 100, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 classes. And what is the maximum number of students? 200. So we must keep this in mind before we plot the graph. Now let us draw an ogive based on this graph, based on this table. Now I have already prepared this graph. Due to some constants, I am starting the origin right on the left hand side edge because I need to fit till 100 here. What I have done here is I have taken 2 centimeter as 10 units or 10 marks. So I'll write the scale here. In the x-axis, 2 centimeter is equals to 10 marks. Now, in the y-axis, I'm plotting the number of students or the frequency, and I have taken 2 centimeter as 20 units so that I can plot up to 200 easily. So let me write the scale for y-axis also. 2 centimeter is equals to 20 students. Okay. So now our scale is okay. Now using the table that we have, now we are going to plot the ogive or the cumulative frequency curve. So the first is 10, 5. So 10, 5, where will it land? Now where is 10? This is 10. Now we'll have to find the value 5. Where will be 5? Plot 10 here and 5 will be exactly in between, somewhere out here. We draw across and make it into a circle. So this is our first one, 10, 5. Next is 20, 15. So 15 again will, this is 10, then this is 12, this is 14, will lie here. This is 15, then 30, 26. This is 20, 22, 24, and this is my 26. Then 40, 46. Corresponding is 46. This is 42, 44, and this is 46. For 50 we have 73. So this is 60, this is 70, this is 72, and in between will be 73. Next 60, 111. So 60 corresponding to 60, 100 is there. This is 110, and 111 will be between 112 and 110. Next one, 151 corresponding to 70, 151. So 151, this is 40, this is 50, so 51 again will lie in between these two. Next one, 80 is 180. 80 is 180, which is exactly here. And 90 is 194, 94. So 94 is, so this is 80, this is 90, this is 92, this is 94. Sorry, so this is the one, this one is 94. And finally for 200, 100, this is 200. So now we have plotted the points. Now we need to draw a freehand smooth curve to join the last point with the origin. So see how am I drawing this one. So we start from here, then try to pass through all the points without moving here and there, without much deviation from its path. We try and draw a smooth curve. Remember, it's a cumulative frequency curve, so you must use a curve to connect to all the points and then bring it to the origin. In case if the class does not start from 0, remember to put the kink mark here. And when you bring this down, bring it exactly in the middle of the kink mark rather than bringing it to the origin. So this completes our ogive. And what kind of ogive is this one? This is a lesser than ogive. What does that mean? Any value, or you can say that we have plotted this 5. So this means 5 students have obtained marks less than 10. Here we have plotted 15. What does this mean? That means 15 students have scored less than 20. Okay, this is how we read the ogive. Have a good look at it and practice at home.